Nidhi. So I'll just quickly brief about a presentation I had actually presented last week regarding digital marketing performance. So I'll start. Okay. So this was a presentation which focused on the digital marketing analysis for AI variance data analytics courses, which was in partnership with XLR. So it aimed to, uncover how users interact across two channels. That was website engagement, like measuring user traffic, behavior, and trends, and email campaigns, where we would evaluate, how well the marketing emails resonate with targeting audiences. So I would be leveraging data visualization tools like Power BI to transform raw engagement data to provide actionable insights that support strategic decision making and campaign optimization. So basic overview. So I'll just go through this quickly. This research focused on analyzing digital engagement for AI variance data analytics courses to better understand the user behavior and optimize marketing efforts. Key focus areas: website engagement analysis, understanding visitor traffic, traffic sources, like was it through website, mobile, like was it through laptop, was it through mobile, session patterns, email campaign performance, evaluating email campaign success, like through click rate, open rate, and unsubscribes, like how many people opened the links that were sent to them. That is the email campaign performance. So basic tools I used was Power BI for the interactive dashboards. This would hardly take me 1 hour to create the dashboards from all the tools, after basic cleaning. So the insights derived from this analysis, enabled the marketing team to improve campaign strategies and enhance user engagement, also drive better outcomes. So like some of the KPIs that were involved, like email marketing open rate, which I discussed, number of open emails from all the delivered emails, click through rate, some of the terms basically. We have CTR, CTOR, top performing campaigns. So, like to analyze which are the top performing campaigns and, direct better marketing, more marketing initiative towards them. The ones which are poorer performing, analyze why it's happened. Also, average activities per email. Like activities here is like open or click. So together they combine, they become activities. And yeah, so web engagement, like total unique visitors in the website, average bounce rate, the number of people who just landed on the page and didn't, proceed to any other pages. This comes in the web engagement. Then this is the second dashboard that I've created, and also, like top 5 regions by unique visitors and top, bottom 5 regions, and also the trend analysis. So these are some of the KPIs. So I'll explain this through the dashboard which I only created using Power BI, data business intelligence tool. So AI variant marketing performance analytics. So we have email campaign analysis and the website traffic. So email campaign, like we have here, it's to get insights into email performance, open rates, campaign effectiveness to optimize engagement. So we can see here, like, the email campaigns, we have analyzed top 5 campaigns, 28, 13 in the descending order. Activity breakdown, we see like about 34% was opened and only 33% like that was clicked. And 32% of the sent emails were not even opened. So these are unique opens and unique clicks. So out of the total emails sent, only 33 were clicked, and out of total sent, only 34% were opened. So some of the KPIs here mentioned: open rate, CTR, etc. So high volume email campaigns. So these were the campaigns which had high volumes. It's 98 top 5, and email activity timeline we have here. So this will represent, like the count of emails and the count of activities that were done, per year, like 2020 to 2025 analysis. The least performing campaigns, these would be having very low click-through rates. So we can see a campaign 58 performed the poorest. And now I'll go into web traffic analysis for the digital marketing campaign. So we have like total website viewers, page views, like 25 million, total visitors 12.46 million. So Views means like the same person can view it again and again, but total unique visitors will be 12.46. Average bounce rate, people who just view the first landing page and will not proceed to the other pages. That is why bounce rate is created. Average session duration, how much person spends on a particular website page. Pages per session, 2.01. So device usage per visitors, we have the breakdown here. Mobiles accounted for the highest amount of unique visitors. So most people from mobiles only had visited the website of XLR, which Air Variant uses for their courses, like which they provide data analytics courses, which are offline and online. Okay, and total visitors per region. So these courses are provided internationally. It's an internationally recognized organization, and so they have visitors by region. Like Korea was seen as the highest region, which actually, with the number of unique visitors were more. Then we have New Caledonia, and followed by Congo and Cyprus. And these were the top five basically, total visitors by region. So that was actually top five. And then we have traffic source breakdown. We have social media and organic search. Organic search, direct. So our direct would be the highest traffic source. And we can also analyze. So bottom three regions by page views. You have Ethiopia. Sorry, we have Ethiopia, Micronesia, and Pakistan. Here. Monthly comparison, unique visitors versus page views. We have top six regions by bounce rates. So monthly comparison, we would see, on different months. So May month accounted for most number of page views. So probably this could be like, when the new year starts, people want to do a new course and the new financial year starts, right? And the top six regions by bounce rate, we would be having Lithuania. So most people from this region just land on the page and do not proceed to, analyze the different parts like other pages like what the course offers, etc. So here what we have is like we can also, depending on the traffic, like if people from social media, most people actually from Senegal had been the ones who had used uh, opened this website from social media. So if we take out, referrals, the country would be Martinique, followed by Denmark. And then if we take the region of, sorry, if we take suppose a region like, suppose we can scroll down and take maybe to analyze the digital marketing performance for the region of, let's say, India. So here we have total visitors, 55,000 people. Mobile was by far the largest with 42.47. Total page views, 97,000. Total unique visitors, unique people visiting was 54,000. Average session, so Indians spend 7.6, which is less than the average duration, which was 8. And so here in India we find that actually February accounts for the largest number of page views, and that is followed by April. And here also paid ads was one of the traffic sources. So that is basically about the website traffic overview. And we already discussed email campaigns, and yeah, that was basically about the dashboard of about the this about this digital marketing strategy for the data analytics courses provided by XLR, provided by A Variant in association with XLR. So now, so I'll just take you through the key insights. So high mobile traffic share. A significant proportion of the web traffic comes from mobile devices, indicating importance of mobile optimized content. Low average session duration and moderate bounce rates. Top traffic sources identified. So most visitors are driven via direct and referral sources, showing strong brand awareness and partner-driven traffic. There's also a regional gap in engagement. Top five regions dominate the user base, while the bottom five regions show weak penetration, highlighting expansion opportunities in these specific regions. Top campaign drive majority of engagement. A few campaigns account for most of the activities, revealing like what kind of campaigns were providing better messages and which resonated best, which and which could be used more often in the campaigns. So engagement rate is consistent across years, steady email activity, so a loyal subscriber base, but leaves room for some growth in new user acquisition. So some of the recommendations like improve the landing page experience, optimize the page speed, simplify the layout. We can see that unique viewers are much less, very less compared to the page views. So you know we could optimize the page speed, simplify the layout, add interactive content to reduce bounce rates and increase session time. Then we could also enhance the design and placement in emails, strong and more visible. Calls to action can drive better like click-through rates, more people clicking on more links inside the website. So having more engaged readers, which could lead to better conversion rates. Like people are just looking into these data analytics courses, but we want them to take the course, right? That is what this digital marketing is all about. I mean, it's all happening for so that more people can, go and actually take the course and create revenue for the company. So some other recommendations like A/B testing campaigns, test subject lines. So this can be done by some of the data scientists who may work on this. Like try different testing methodologies, A/B testing. So leverage top performing regions and channels. Invest more in regions and channels that show high visitor volumes and replicate the same strategies in underperforming areas. Also, user behavior targeting, segment users based on activity, frequent openers versus inactive, and tailor more email content accordingly. So send them better, more prioritized emails. This is some of the usual things, like suppose you take any of these edtech companies, how they'll be utilizing their digital marketing strategies. Like Simply Learn, you have Byju's was there previously, and yeah, Simply Learn is there now currently. So they have many courses which is internationally run. Even Xler is doing this internationally, but I'm not sure if you've heard of it. Anyways, track KPIs consistently using dashboards. Like using these dashboards, we can track and monitor trends more easily. In a dashboard is a simpler way. We don't have to analyze large tables, and this can be a better way. Yeah. So thank you for this is my presentation.